Alright, so here's what I'm doing. I'm trying to control this servo with my computer, the audio out signal. I watched a video on this before and it was just a little bit confusing for me, and it took me quite a while to actually figure out how to do this. The servo I have is this high-tech servo. Picked it up at an RC shop up the street. It's pretty cheap. It was $8, so good thing to work on. I'm actually using this for a project right now, and I just figured I'd go ahead and show you guys how to do the control on this. What I went ahead and did, it's kind of a little messy right now because it was just testing purposes. I've got the power, the red one, coming in 5 volts. I just used a wall adapter for now. I'll use a battery for the actual one. So I've got 5 volts running straight to it. The ground is tied to the ground from the computer, and it's also tied to the ground to the wall. And then we've got a signal wire, and that's connected to our positive off the computer. We went ahead and used a pulse width modulation. I used a program called daqarta. Here's the setup. I'll show you how to get into this real fast. When you first pull up the program, it'll have this little window off to the side. I went left channel only, changed the wave controls, and changed the frequency to 48 Hertz. Up here at the top there's a little button for wave. You're going to click on that, click on pulse. For this particular motor, I found out the degree range was 9.6 or 9.36 degrees to 41.36 degrees. So you change that depending on where you want the motor to go to. I'm going to go ahead and show you what happens. I'm going to change it back down to 9.36. Alright, ready? It goes automatically to the other end of the spectrum. Let me change it back to that 41.36. Alright, so that's pretty simple. Make sure you're on the pulse width modulation one, which is degrees. And that should be it. I'm just putting this up here because it took me quite a while to figure it out and I wasn't sure how it worked. So hopefully this will help some of you guys.